Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase financial flexibility with Chase Slate step by step clearly. To increase financial flexibility with Chase Slate, you need to start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all pertinent details about your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Make a comprehensive list of your monthly expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Identify the areas where you can potentially cut back. Next, research the benefits of the Chase Slate card. The Chase Slate card offers a 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers for a specific period. Consider transferring higher interest debt to this card to reduce interest payments. Ensure you understand any transfer fees that may apply. Once you have the card, create a payment plan. Focus on paying down transferred balances before the introductory period ends. Regularly monitor your spending habits using the Chase mobile app. Set up alerts to help you stay within your budget. Automate your savings to ensure you're consistently contributing to an emergency fund. Review your financial plan regularly to adapt to any changes in your situation. Take advantage of financial budgeting tools or resources provided by Chase. Consider enrolling in financial literacy programs if you feel you need additional guidance. With dedication and the right tools, you can significantly enhance your financial flexibility using Chase Slate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.